Thank you for joining Authoritel. My name is Nova Garagos, and in this video I will discuss and show you how you can improve your customer courtesy skills using the SimulCall feature included with Authoritel's voice server product line. SimulCall allows you to have your calls ring at multiple locations simultaneously. So if you're not at your desk, you can still receive your calls. Now it's important not to mistake SimulCall for call forwarding. Call forwarding simply forwards the call to another destination. However, when you set your SimulCall, it can ring multiple locations, including the original location, until someone answers the phone or until it goes to voicemail. So let me show you how you can configure your SimulCall settings. The first thing you'll need to do is to log into your voicemail box online. If you don't know how to access your voicemail box, please contact your IT person, your manager, or your Authoritel representative. So here we are at the login screen. What you'll need to do is to enter your mailbox number. That's the same number as your extension number. Then enter your password. Once you've successfully logged into your mailbox, click on the SimulCall link. Now I will show you how to configure your SimulCall settings. The first option is to either enable or disable the SimulCall. So if you want to use it, then you want to make sure that this is enabled. But if you're going on vacation and you do not want to be bothered when you leave the office, you may want to come back and disable this feature just by unchecking it and then clicking the update button at the bottom of the screen. The second option is the SimulCall list. Here you can adjust the telephone numbers to suit your need. These are the numbers that the phone system is going to call when a call is received. So make sure that you put in the correct numbers. You may want to choose to put your cell phone number or another extension number if a coworker can answer your calls when you're not in the office. If you want your extension at your desk to continue on ringing, you want to make sure that you include that in the SimulCall list. However, you can also include an external number like a cell phone number. By default, the SimulCall list is limited to 2 numbers total. That could include your extension number at your desk and another number. But you can also set both numbers to ring at external locations. But for this example, we'll just leave it at 8014, which is the extension number of the phone. The third option allows your extension number at your desk to ring for a specific number of seconds before the SimulCall list is activated and called. So you may want to adjust that accordingly. You can adjust it up to 30 seconds, which means that your desk phone is going to ring for 30 seconds before the SimulCall list is activated. Which takes us to option number 4, the SimulCall list and how long it should ring. So once your extension at your desk has rang for 8 seconds, let's say, the SimulCall list is going to be activated and is going to ring for an additional 20 seconds. The fifth and final option is the confirmation. If confirmation is enabled, the phone system is going to ask you to confirm before receiving the call on an external number. For example, if you're out on the field and you receive a call on your cell phone from the SimulCall list and you answer it, the phone system is going to ask you to press 1 to accept the call. If you do not press 1, the call is going to be held back and eventually will go into your extension's voicemail. If you do press 1, then the call is going to be released to your cell phone and you can continue talking with your customer who called you. This serves another purpose by letting you know that this call that's coming into your cell phone is from a business line instead of a personal call. Make sure that you press the update button at the bottom of the screen anytime you make any changes to the SimulCall list or any other option. That concludes this demonstration of the SimulCall feature on the Authoritel voice server product line. Please check back for additional videos on other features at authoritel.com.